right here is the rack and link that is connected to a pinion gear inside there. As you spin the throttle, it pulls that rack and link in and out. This is how it operates. There's a bolt right here that's tied to the lever that goes to the cam to throttle up and down. And then it's got a lever, a link tied over to this controlling device that controls the shifting. Alright, so with the shift in neutral, it's a stop that only allows you to go so fast. When you shift it in reverse, which is down, it moves that stop